The HTML5 audio and video tags allow web designers to embed video and audio directly into their HTML documents without the need for any add-on or software plugins for the people who are going to be viewing or listening to the audio. Each tag is accompanied by a source attribute, including attributes for starting, stopping, auto-playing, and more. You also have the ability to further define the behavior of the video and audio using scripting languages, usually JavaScript. The source tag is used in conjunction with the audio and video tag so that browsers will know that multimedia content is available in various formats. Video and audio on the web has become increasingly viable, and sites like YouTube, Vidler, Rever, MySpace, and dozens of others have made it very easy for anyone to publish video and audio on a web page. However, since HTML currently lacks the necessary means to successfully embed and control multimedia itself, many sites are relying on Flash to provide that functionality. Although it is possible to embed multimedia using various plugins such as QuickTime, Windows Media, and others, Flash is currently the only widely deployed plugin that provides a cross-browser compatible solution with the desired APIs for developers to play back the video and audio successfully and the way that they need. As evidenced by the popularity of Flash-based media players, there's great general interest in providing custom-designed user interfaces, allowing users to play, pause, stop, seek, and adjust volume of the media playback. The plan with HTML5 is to provide this same functionality in browsers natively, that is, without the need for plugins. And they'll do this by supporting the embedding of video and audio and providing APIs for scripts to control the playback. API stands for Application Programming Interfaces. The new HTML5 video and audio elements will make this easy. Most of the APIs are shared between these two elements, with the only differences being related to the inherent differences between visual and non-visual media. Firefox 3.5 introduced support for HTML audio and video elements, so I'm running here Firefox 3.55. I've embedded a OGG video on this page. If we refresh, notice that the player is down here and the video will automatically just start playing back. No plugin required, no additional software required. If we look at the page source, you can see the very simple markup here. I have my video source. It's an OGG file, width and height attributes, and then a little warning here: your browser does not support the video element here. This is just in the body tag. That's all there is to it. No Flash call, no JavaScript, nothing else other than just converting this video into the right format and then installing an HTML5 compliant browser, in this case one that also supports the video tag. At the time of this recording, Firefox 3.5 was supporting the OGG, Theora, OGG Vorbis, and WAV format media. Both Opera and WebKit have released builds with partial support for OGG and Theora formats. WebKit supports all the formats that are supported by QuickTime, including third-party codecs. Safari only uses Apple's proprietary .mov or QuickTime format rather than open-source OGG formats supported by Firefox and Opera. You can learn much more about creating this open-source OGG media, that's OGG, which is a leading media format supported by HTML5, by reading the Theora cookbook at this address, http://en.flossmanuals.net/Theora cookbook. Here you can get an introduction to this open source video movement, introduction about what is video, what is the Theora project, basic concepts of video such as codecs and containers, how to play back your video, how to put your video online, including how to convert existing media formats such as QuickTime, Flash, or Windows Media into this OGG format so you can play it back with simple HTML5 tags. And you can learn much, much more about this topic. So I recommend this website. It's pretty good.